Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so here we are on number 27, Good King Wenceslas. I'm looking at it. Few things I see. I see E marked as flat in front of it. And then the second measure has the E marked as flat. Once a note is marked as flat, it remains that way for the measure. Same thing is true with naturals and sharps. So that's why they have an E flat marked in the second measure, because once you get to the second measure, it resets to what the key signature is. Key signature is not something we have covered yet, but that is something that will be coming up soon. The second thing is I see the solo, soli, and then tutti, and I'm just going to play this like we're not worrying about those. But the solo section, if someone else is playing, that's a good chance to work on your counting, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in at your part. So you want to watch how that works through those parts. Best way to do that as you're getting used to the instrument is to follow your part on the music, and maybe even follow like E, F, E, B flat, and then come in. I found that works best for me when they show those cues. And here we go. 1, 2, here's. Using my trigger for some of the C's, and it's called an F attachment. And really, technically, some will say it gives you your 6 position notes. And technically, it's the F, and that expands your range lower between the pedal tones and the lowest E. Down into those lower pitches there. All right, let's move on. All right, so we're doing an excellence in composition. So this is one where they give you your own title, you write your name in, and they give you the first part to work with. Your own stuff here. Off. Then it's over. So, I will make up my own now. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.